Hello from Oldham Volkswagen, my name is Dylan and today I'm going to be showing you around this approved used Volkswagen vehicle. The Touareg V6 Black Edition 3-litre TDI at a whopping 286 PS 4Motion comes available in the pure white finish. The car is being used as a demonstrator, so mileage is due to change, but it is being well maintained during its life cycle. As you can see, it's got a clean exterior, and you also get access to the 21-inch Suzuka alloy wheels, which does include the air suspension, as these are the 21-inch wheels. You have your upgraded factory-fitted tow bar, power folding with trailer assist, and an electric tailgate as well. Great if you've got your hands full. Accessing the boot directly, you'll see it's a large boot capacity. You can fit stuff like suitcase inside. You also have Dyne audio sound system within this vehicle. You have ISO fixed points in the back for rear child seats, cup holders in the center console, and a rear climate zone for rear passengers' comfort. The multifunction steering wheel enables you to configure the dashboard display, but we'll touch on this soon. And panning around, you can see the optional extra of the Vienna R-Line Comfort Pack, which does offer the Vienna leather interior upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, which does offer a dynamic and diverse experience, especially whilst traveling during the day, offering a skyline view and allowing for fresh air and light. Now onto the dashboard display, here you'll see you have your DSG shift paddles for manual gear changing, and here you can see we can show key information like our driving data, audio, and even our navigation, and you can display your information onto the dashboard directly through heads-up display. You have a heated steering wheel with 3 different heat intensities to choose from, and also included in the driver assistance pack plus, you have all these assist functions to offer a much more safer experience. Over to the infotainment screen, there's a wide array of different options. As the car is the 4Motion, you can see here there's a wide array of different drive modes so you can conquer the road on any weather terrain or just stylize and tailor your experience. For example, Sport is a bit more of a performance drive, while Comfort offers a smoother drive. As we go into our parking sensors and rear camera alongside the 360-degree camera, here you can see we offer a wide array of safety options. This is great for places like shopping centers where traditionally it's a little bit tight, and you can also stitch all the cameras together to essentially make a 3D world, which is great when trying to get closer looks into tighter spaces. The car also incorporates upgraded climate seats, which does offer an experience like no other. Whether you're in the summer or you're in the winter, there's a seat profile for you, as you have your cool blowers, and you also have a heated seat as well. Now what sets this car a little bit apart from the rest is the fact that you can actually target certain areas where the heat or the cool air will actually access. This is the same for the other passenger seat. Watching this video on the approved used vehicle, this vehicle does come with a minimum of 2 years Volkswagen approved used warranty alongside 2 years roadside assistance and much more. To learn more about the vehicle or book yourself in for a test drive, please get in touch on 0161 825 8520. We're more than happy to provide more information or book online today.